Good morning, students. Today we just start the unit differential equation. Okay. Today we start the unit differential equation. Generally, differential equations. Okay. If we want to write, generally we can write DEQ. Okay. In abbreviation form, we can write DEQ. DEQ means differential equation. First, we have to discuss the definition. What is the definition of differential equation? Okay, so differential equation is an equation involving with dependent variable and its derivatives with respect to one or more independent variables. Okay, so this is the definition. Differential equation is an equation involving with dependent variable and its derivatives with respect to one or more independent variables. For example, if I am taking one function y equal to f of x, x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. Already we know that dy by dx, differentiation of y with respect to one single independent variable, d square y by dx square. That means I am differentiating y with respect to x twice. d cube y by dx cube, like this. If you observe that here I am differentiating y with respect to one independent variable, but okay, n times. Okay, like that we can take d power n y by dx power n. Okay, so that means in the differential equation, okay, we are differentiating that means it is having the dependent variable and its derivatives with respect to one independent variable or more independent variables. For example, if I am taking one examples, okay, we will discuss this by examples. For example, dy by dx minus cos x equal to 0. Okay, next d cube y by dx cube plus 3 into d square y by dx square minus 4 into dy by dx plus 7 into y equal to 0. Okay, you just observe that 7y or 7xy, whatever it may be, 7xy equal to 0. I will take, okay, alright. Next, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to n into u. Here I am taking the three examples. You just observe here dy by dx minus cos x equal to 1. Here y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. Okay, there is no y term, there is no problem. So y is differentiated by only one time. Okay, so this is a differential equation. d cube y by dx cube plus 3 into d square y by dx square minus 4 into dy by dx plus 7xy equal to 0. Just I am example point of view I taken here. So y, it is the dependent variable, its derivatives with respect to one variable, but it is differentiated by one time, two time, three times. With respect to x only, differentiated by one time, two time, three times. So this is also differential equation. If you observe this, here u is a dependent variable. Here u differentiated with respect to x, differentiated with respect to y also. That means here dependent variable differentiated by two variables. Okay, in these two examples, the dependent variable is differentiated by only single independent variable. Here it is dependent variable is differentiated by two independent variables. So these type of differential equations are called ordinary differential equation. That means if the dependent variable is differentiated by only one single independent variable, then that type of differential equations are called ordinary differential equations. If the dependent variable is differentiated by two or more independent variables, then that type of differential equations are called partial differential equations. Okay, so differential equations are two types. Okay, so this is the definition and I am giving the examples. Now we have to just write on the content. Differential equations are two types. Okay, what is that? First one is ordinary differential equations. Okay, it is generally denoted by ODEQ. Second one is partial differential equations. Okay, so in our content now we have to discuss the ordinary differential equations. Okay, ordinary differential equation now we have to discuss. Okay, right. So in ordinary differential equation we just discuss it having the properties, right? So next, ordinary differential equations. Okay, right. Differential equation have, okay, every differential equation have two qualities. Okay, first one is order. Okay, so what is the order of the differential equation? What is the order? Highest derivative present in highest derivative present in differential equation is called order. Okay, example, d cube y by dx cube minus 7 into dy by dx. For example, I am taking that 7y equal to or some 9y equal to 0. You just observe this. Here y is the dependent variable. It is differentiated one time. Here differentiated 3 times. Highest derivative, okay, we differentiated y is how many times? 3 times. Okay, here y differentiated with respect to x maximum 3 times. Therefore, order equal to, what is that? Height, okay, 3. Example I am taking like this. Okay, highest derivative present in the differential equation is called, what is that? Order. Simple definition. Okay, highest derivative present in differential equation is called, what is that? Order. Okay, so it is also, we can write that y triple dash, that means y is differentiated 3 times, or sometimes we can write that y3 minus 7 into y1. Y1 means first derivative plus 9y equal to 0. In abbreviation form also we can write like that also. So whatever it may be, what is the order means? Highest derivative present in the differential equation is called, what is that? Order. Okay, so this is the definition. Next definition, degree. Okay, right. Now I am just erasing this. Degree. What is the degree? The power of ordered term in differential equation when the equation is free from fractions, and radicals. Okay, radicals, except x and y, x comma y or x comma y. Okay, what is this meaning? That means to say the degree, first we have to find what is the order value. Okay, the power of the ordered term, that is called degree. But here the condition is compulsory the differential equation is free from fractions and radicals. That means dy by dx or something, whatever it may be, the differentiation values power must be, okay, not be fractions or radicals. That means, okay, not the fractions. For example, here I am taking one example. D cube y by dx cube whole square minus 7 into d square y by dx square whole to the power of 8 plus 7 7x to the power of 1 by 2 into y, okay, or 7 root x into y equal to 0. I am taking one example point of view. Suppose if you observe that dependent variable is y is differentiated 2 times, y is differentiated 3 times. So what is the order? Highestly it is differentiated 3 times. So order is 3. Okay, you just observe that this power is, are we having the fraction? No. So here also, okay, so you just observed here x to the power of 1 by 2, y to the power of 1, except x comma y. If it is having the fractions, there is no problem, you just relieve that. We have to take these values. If the, okay, derivative powers, okay, if the differential equation is free from fractions and radicals, okay, like this, then we can take that. So highest order is 3. For example, here 2 is there. So this one, this power is 2. So what is the degree? That means you are saying the order according to this term. Okay. So highest derivative present in the differential equation is 3. So order is 3. This power is 2. So degree is 2. Like this. Before saying the degree, we have to check that, okay, the ordered term and that remaining terms, they are free from fractions and radicals. We have to check that. Except x comma y, except dependent variable and independent variable. You just, okay, just accept that thing. You can verify that. Highest derivative is called order and its power, then we can consider its power as degree. Okay, so this is the definition and this is one example. Now we just discuss some problems and we have to find the order and degree. Okay, right. So I will take some problems from the textbook, okay, and we have to discuss about the order and degree, right? X square into d square y by dx square plus 3x into dy by dx plus 4y equal to 0. Second problem, d power 4y by dx power 4 equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square, okay, whole cube. Next, third one, 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 equal to 8 into d square y by dx square. Okay, So here I am taking the three problems you just observed here. Okay, it is the second order derivative, first order derivative, okay, dependent variable. So highest derivative order, highest derivative value is second derivative, so order is 2, and this power, okay, this power value is 1, so degree equal to 1. Okay, or otherwise you can write like this in simple manner. Okay, in my point of view, x square y2 second derivative, okay, plus 3x y1 plus 4y equal to 0. What is the y1? dy by dx. What is the y2? d square y by dx square. Y is differentiated highest 2 times, so order is 2. This power value is 1 only. Okay, here also I am writing like this, we can understand very easily. Okay, so here y4 fourth derivative equal to 1 plus y1 whole square, okay, whole cube. So in this, y is differentiated highest to 4 times. It is not a fraction. If you expand this, you will get the 4 terms. Okay, that is secondary thing. Y1, it is having the maximum 6 power 6. Okay, you forget about that, because we have to concentrate on y is differentiated maximum how many times? 4 times. So what is our order? 4. Okay, and degree y4 whole power 1 only, so degree is here also 1. Okay, here I am taking like this 1 plus y1 square. I am just modifying this value, 1 plus y1 square, 1 plus y1 square whole to the power of 3 by 2, whole to the power of 3 by 2 equal to 8 into y2. But you just observed here, okay, here you are having the fraction y1, some value whole power fraction is there, so by 2 you have to take like that. Okay, that side 1 plus y1 square whole cube equal to, okay, by 2 you just take that side 8 square 64 and y2 square, that means y2, that means y is differentiated highest 2 times, its power is 2. That means here what we are doing, okay, we are taking that the differential equation is free from fractions. Now it is free from fractions. After free from fractions, highest derivative is present in the differential equation is 2 times. Okay, and its power is 2. So what is the order? Order equal to 2. What is the degree? Degree is also 2. Okay, like that. Okay, just for our simplification I am writing like this. Okay, it will gives very easily order and degree, we can say very easily. Okay, and one more definition is also there. If the differential equation is not in the polynomial type, okay, we can say the order but we can't say the degree. Okay, so that is also one model is there, we will discuss it later. Okay, but the main thing is definition of differential equation and how many types it is, and the main values order and degree, some example problems. In this class we discussed this. Okay, we just refer some more problems by taking from the textbooks. Okay, carefully you have to understand these concepts. These are the basic concepts in differential equation. Okay, mainly here we are studying about the ordinary differential equation. Understand? Ordinary differential equation. Okay, so like this we can find the order and the degree. Okay, right, thank you.